Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. If you're new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we are going to check out these prom hairstyle ideas. So the first one features a braided updo. This is by the stylist Lala's Updo. So she does a great job of braiding the hair and then pinning it up under to create this gorgeous look, which is accented by a hair accessory. Now, a hair accessory is a great way to just kind of glam up a style, add something to it, and make it look a little bit more formal. I think that this looks absolutely gorgeous and the perfect way to wear your hair for prom. If you do want to find more inspirations for like DIY hairstyles, definitely check out her Instagram feed. She has tons of hair tutorials and just great techniques for overall doing your own hair. So next up, we see that same stylist and she is doing another updo variation. This one does feature kind of that waterfall style braid as well as a bun. So she used a little scrunchie piece in order to create some thickness. And then she added in this gorgeous braid, soft tendrils in the front. Beautiful, classic way to wear your hair for prom. And of course, if you guys are looking for some different ways to kind of rock your hair, this next one will definitely be a great fit as well. This one is of this kind of bun chignon, and this is a simple bun, but she added these beautiful pearl pens to just kind of make it a little bit more glamorous, make the hairstyle seem a little bit more formal and dressy. And many of these hairstyles will work, of course, for any formal event that you have it coming up, prom, or even your wedding. So if you are a bridesmaid or if you are the bride yourself, definitely check out the KYK hair Instagram feed as well for more inspiration. Beautiful, simple hairstyle, but like I said, it's been elevated with the hair accessories. And the next up, we have kind of a euphoria style hairstyle. So she has two braids going back with gorgeous little crystals in the front. And then here we have a nice half up, half down style with curls. This one features braids as well. And then we have another braided prom hairstyle. This one does feature French braids going into a ponytail, as well as some gold hair accessories. Alright you guys, I hope that you were able to find some inspiration for your prom hairstyle. If you did, be sure to give this video a like and I will see you in the next one.